Let's go bug him. Oh, look who it is, Mr. Finster. How you doing, Finchie?
Alrighty.
Look at the ceiling.
Good.
Wow, who did that? Was it a professional? Oh my gosh. Is this your first ceiling ever?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna change my profession.
Oh. He's almost done. The ceiling, it went quite quickly. Because as you know... Oh, excuse me, I'm talking. Because as you know, this has been taking a few months to build. We're taking our time.
Still working? Howdy. Today, we are gonna install solar panels on the roof. So, cheers. This aluminum is very thin, so that means when you screw these bolts you definitely want to screw in some beam or some wood beam structure, something, because just through this it's not working. You already see what's happening here, right? Do you? Cables! Yes, we are doing electricity. Next thing you want to do is take wire, which you bought it, the extended wire, and you want to connect it together. Oppa! This is my positive cable. In this case, the black cable is positive cable for the roof vent, and we connecting positive to the positive. It actually doesn't matter which color it is, right? So it just you choose. So my positive is gonna be red, so I'm choosing red. Alright, so we're gonna check first if this one have electricity, and to check it I need to cut it off and then put it on I put it on a jump starter. So before we do that, I want to make sure that these cables are long enough to go where I plan them to go. Black to black, red to red. Put it on, make sure the battery is on. And we're already here. Let's go. We're gonna put one more tube down there, but well, there's no hanging wires, and it's gonna dry and it's gonna be really solid. So here we get some lights. A moment of truth. Just need to put this one on. Okay, we hear the click. If I press this, it should turn on. This is on. This is on. This is on. Yes.
Robert, congrats. You've created light.
Sure, boys and girls.
And in-betweens. Girls, boys, and all the in-betweens. Okay, sayonara. Oh! Dark. Light. Dark. Light.
Yes, it is finished. The ceiling, well, not all ceiling. It looks gorgeous.
Hey guys. Hi. We forgot to make an outro. So here's the outro to the video.
Alright, YouTube, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hi, new subscribers, and see you on to the next one.
Like, comment, subscribe down below.